If you want to go ahead and add subscribers to your WordPress site, then you can actually do that in the users section as well. So now if you were to go around onto the users section, you can see that subscribers is an option. And here you can see that right now there is no subscribers. So what you can actually do is import existing subscribers as well, or go ahead and add in subscribers manually right here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and type in YouTube channel 3@gmail.com right here, just like this. Let's just go around over here. So I'm just going to go around and type in tututube@outlook.com, just like this as well, just like this. And I'm just going to go around and say tututube@yahoo.com right here, just like this as well, and click on add subscribers. So once you go ahead and do that, it says your subscribers are being imported, and this may take a few minutes. You can close the window right here, just like this. So once you do that, you can actually see that this is what you have right here. So we have imported out our subscribers right here, just like this. And that is how you can simply go ahead and add a subscriber right here. If I were to go ahead and refresh this right here, then you can see that I have the subscribers. So let's just go around onto the subscribers section right here. You can see the subscribers right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and add subscribers. And if you want to go ahead and remove out a subscriber, you can simply go around and click on the three dot button and then remove it out as well. And you can remove out the subscriber right here, and that in turn actually make sure that they don't actually receive any notifications as well. Well, you can see that there's the other subscribers that I haven't removed are still there. And that is how you can add and remove out subscribers that you have inside of WordPress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.